Hey guys, welcome to Lesson 1, Part 2. We are going to be doing activities E through H in this video. So in activity E, we are going to start by underlining vowels in words. So what we're going to do is we are going to underline the vowels or vowel combinations in words. The number of vowel combinations tells you the number of word parts, okay? Again, the number of vowel combinations tells you the number of word parts. So I'm going to do the first one to explain what I mean. So, vowel combination right here, vowel right here. Now, there's two vowel combinations, so that means I need to split this word into two parts, okay? Waist band, okay? Let's do the same thing over here. Here's a vowel combination right here. That means if there's only one vowel combination, how many word parts are there? Right, one. So this is fraud. Fraud. Okay, let's do this one. Got a vowel here, vowel combination here. Okay, two vowel combinations means, right, two word parts. Right, so we have midday. Midday. Okay, I'm going to do one more. Vowel combo here, vowel combo here. Two vowel combinations means, right, two word parts. So we have pig tail. Okay, that breaks into that. All right, let's see here. Do we have any that are going to have three in this one? Okay, I don't think we're going to have any that have three, but they'll either have two or one vowel combinations, which means two or one word parts. So what you're doing for the rest of this video, sorry, not the rest of this video, the rest of this section, you are going to underline the vowel combinations and then split it into its word parts, okay? Go ahead and pause the video and do that now. All right, so I went ahead and underlined all of our vowel combinations. We are going to split it into the word parts together. So I did this one here. Here it had one vowel combination, so I know there's only one word part. And if I sound it out, it's alt, vault. Okay, so let's go over here. Two vowel combinations means two word parts. Pathway, pathway. Okay, two word parts here. Way, lay. Okay, how many vowel combinations? Right, which means one word part. Launch, launch. Okay, railway, midway, blackmail, maintain. This one's a little tricky. Applaud. Okay, this one was at the very beginning. Applaud, applaud. Layman, layman. Mainstay, mainstay. When you break it up into word parts, I want to encourage you to read the full word afterwards. So if we said waistband, I want you to say waistband. Midday, midday. Pigtail, pigtail. So after we split it up into those word parts, say the full word. Okay, great. So let's go on to activity F. So this is an oral activity. What you're going to be doing is listening to me read words incorrectly. And you're going to listen to me read it incorrectly in a sentence. And then after you hear it read in a sentence, you're going to tell me the right way to say it, the correct pronunciation, okay? So if I said the word husband, and I have the sentence, have you met Mr. or Mrs. Smith's husband? You would say husband, okay? So if I said hot L, when we were on vacation, we stayed in a hot-el, you would say hotel. Good. Okay, try this one. Destroy. The hurricane will destroy every house in town. Destroy. Good. Next one. Cradle. The baby is sleeping in the cradle. Good. Cradle. Last one. Unfortunate. Dan was sad. Losing his car keys was unfortunate. Right, unfortunate. Okay, so that is all for activity F. Activity G. So we are getting into prefixes and suffixes. We are going to be starting with prefixes. And what prefixes are is they are the word part at the very beginning of a word, okay? So this column right here, these are prefixes, and those prefixes were circled in these words. So the prefix is disagree, misprint, abnormal, admit. Go ahead and pause the video. I want you to read these prefixes on your own and read them in these words. Great, let's go on to our very last activity, H. So what we're going to be doing is circling the prefixes. We are going to be circling the ones that we just learned up here. So we're going to circle dis, miss, ab, and add. Okay. Not all of the words have prefixes. So if I look here, I can see this word has add. So that one has one. But if I look over at here, this word right here, this does not have any of those prefixes, so you'll leave it alone, okay? Once you finish circling the prefixes, we're going to do the same thing where we're going to break the words apart. So I circled my prefix. Here's a vowel. I'm going to go ahead and break it into word parts. The prefix is always the first word part. So I have addict, okay? Let's go to another one with a prefix. Let's go to this one right here. This one has dis, and it has a vowel right over here. Okay, the prefix is always the first word part. Distract. Okay, let's do this one here. Add is the prefix, and it looks like we have a vowel right here. The prefix is always the first word part, so admit. Good. Okay, now let's go to ones that do not have any prefixes. Let's talk about this one again. So for this one, you're just going to do what we did in the first activity in this lesson. We're going to underline our vowels, and we're just going to break it up. Vanish, okay? So again, circle your prefix, underline your vowel combinations. The prefix is always the first word part. Mislay. Go ahead, pause the video, circle your prefixes, underline your vowels and vowel combinations, and then we will break the words up together. All right, so I have all my vowel combinations underlined and I have my prefixes circled. So let's go ahead and break up our words. Let's start up here with this one. So this one has two vowel combinations, so we'll have two word parts. Audit. One vowel combination is one word part. Damp. Okay, this one has a prefix, and then there's another vowel combination. So we know that the first part of the prefix is the first word part, and then this is the second. So ad lib, display, misplay, fit, misfit, backspin, backspin, misplay, misplay, distraught, distraught, mast, disclaim, disclaim, misprint, misprint, distill, distill, digit, digit, disband, disband, abstract, abstract. Last one is mismatch, mismatch. And that is all for part 2 of lesson 1.